Hello everyone. In this video, my goal is to show you everything you can do with the free version of Perplexity AI. If you don't know, Perplexity AI is an AI powered search engine and chatbot that utilizes advanced technologies such as natural language processing and machine learning to provide accurate and comprehensive answers to our questions or prompt. Perplexity AI is a startup which is challenging Google in AI powered search. They are already branding it as a potential alternative to Google search. So without wasting any time, let's start. So you can go to perplexity.ai and sign up for free. I have already created my account and I have logged in. We can read the documentation by clicking on the question mark at the bottom right hand side of the page, then clicking on get started. We are presented with the overview of Perplexity where we can read what Perplexity is all about. So let's ask our first question. How are stars formed? What this does comparative to search on Google is that it collects the sources and condenses the information from each source and presents us with a summary to our question so that we don't have to go through each of the sources ourselves. It references every source from where it took the data from under the sources panel. If you click on view sources, you'll see that these are the 5 sources, and if we click on any one of them, we can actually go to the source itself. It has also given us images and videos on the right hand side of the page, as you can see. We can ask a follow-up question, say what is the temperature of our sun. So again it will go through the sources and summarize the content within the sources for us. Let's take a look at the next feature, which is collections. It enables us to group our threads under different groups. Let's create a collection with the title solar system and let's give this emoji. We can also give prompts to AI, say format the answers as numeric bullets. These are nothing but instructions to Perplexity to do a particular task with each of our threads. Let's change the privacy from shareable to secret and let's click on create. Now only we can see this collection. We can see our threads under the library tab on the left hand side. If I click on the library, we can see our threads, and on the right hand side we can see our collection that we just created, and currently it doesn't have any threads within it. So let's assign this thread to our collection by clicking on add to collection. Let's ask another question. Explain how our solar system was formed in simple terms. As you can see, this thread has automatically been categorized under solar system. Also, the answer has been formatted into numeric bullets as per the AI prompt which we provided it. If we open up our collections, our solar system collection, we can see that on the right hand side it says that AI prompt has been applied, and hence we are seeing the output as numeric bullets. So the next feature we are going to talk about is the focus feature. Now this feature allows us to narrow down our search for specific use cases. This feature is not yet available in other AI chatbots. As you can see, currently it is set to all, which searches across the entire internet, but we can have other focuses as well, like academic if we want to research published academic papers. Next is writing. This focus generates the text without searching the web, so it uses generative AI to generate text for us. Next we are having Wolfram Alpha, which is used to solve mathematical questions. Then next we are having YouTube focus, which is used to search YouTube and generate summaries for YouTube videos. And we are also having Reddit, which can be used to search different subreddits. So let's try it out. Say I'll be using the academic focus and let's ask a question. Say give recent research paper on black holes. So it has went through the internet and found this research paper on supermassive black holes from collapsing dark matter Bose-Einstein condensates by R. Banerjee. So if I click on this one, I can visit the website and I can read about the research paper. So quickly let us create a new collection for this black hole. So I'll go to create new collection and let's say we'll name this collection as black hole research and click on create. So let us assign this thread to this black hole research collection. Now moving on the left hand side above the library tab, you might be wondering what is the purpose of the discover tab. So the purpose of the discover tab in Perplexity is to function as search engine and news aggregator by providing homepage like experience with focus on recent and relevant articles. So let's come back to the homepage and change our focus to something else, say writing. Let's ask, write a short story on a futuristic Martian colony. Now this text is generated solely by Perplexity AI without referencing anything from the internet. Now let's talk about the next feature, which is actually a demo of paid feature known as Pro Search. The significance of Pro Search is that it uses GPT-4 model to handle complex queries. As you can see, we can only make 5 searches in the free version and reloads every 4 hours. Let's turn it on and ask a question, say what is beyond event horizon in black hole. As you can see, it is first understanding our question, then it is searching the web, and it has found 20 sources which it has listed below, and using those sources it has generated our answer. It has also generated images and videos for us. So let us go back to the home page, and as you can see, we are having 4 pro searches left. This is how you can use pro search, which is quite powerful than the normal search. Let's turn it off for now and move on to the next feature, which is how to use attachments. We can upload images, text and PDFs to Perplexity. So if I go ahead and select a particular image, it says upgrade to Pro. This is because this feature is part of the Pro version. But there's a workaround which allows us to use this feature for free. If we take a look at the bottom of the page, we can see a link named Playground. Playground is a place where we can test out different prompts as we can think of. And at the bottom we can choose a model from a list of models. So the model that allows us to test an attachment is lava-v1.5-7b. So now let's attach an image which has a mathematical equation. Now let's tell it to solve the problem. And boom, it has solved the question for us. This was the question in the image. We can also ask Perplexity if we want. Let's clear this chat and attach another image. Let's attach an image which has a diagram of photosynthesis. We'll ask, what is this image? Explain in brief. It has responded by explaining us the diagram, what all things are present within it. But it has not mentioned anything about photosynthesis. So let's ask it, does the image specify any process? Now it replies correctly, stating that the image includes a diagram that shows the process of photosynthesis. Let's clear the chat and upload one last image. This time we'll upload an image of a planet and ask which planet is it. It has correctly identified the planet within the image. As you can see, this is the planet, which is indeed Jupiter. Lastly, let's ask about this text. We'll say, what is the text in the image? It replies, the text in the image reads Earth our home, which is again correct. So this is how we can use the attachment feature for free. We can go ahead and ask any follow-up questions if we have. We can just upload an image and ask it to explain everything it has. And not just that, we can even ask follow-up questions. Literally anything is possible with this feature. So if we were to upload a scientific diagram, I'm pretty sure it would be able to explain almost anything about it. We can ask a follow-up question, say, does the text correctly identifies the planet? Is it related to the planet in the image? So it correctly says that no, the text in the image is incorrect. The image shows Jupiter, not Earth. Finally, let's take a look at the settings where you can set up your account and also your profile. The important setting which I would like to bring to your notice is to turn off their ability to train on our data. You can switch that off if that is your requirement. So this was all about Perplexity. I'm very much impressed by what it can do, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.